Let's try to see relational model concepts. In this session, we are going to see about relational terms. We will try to see what is the difference between the relational schema and relational instance with some of the examples as well. So let's try to see this. The first thing is about the relational model concepts, which was proposed in 1970 based on mathematical model and terms. So from where it got started, and the building blocks was relation and sets. A set is nothing but unordered collection of distinct elements and items of same type, and they don't have no order and no duplicate. So that was something which is a set. Then once we have this relational concept, what are the sets of relations are there that will be in the relational database, and it will be a relation is nothing but a mathematical term for a table. And it does have two components, a relation schema and relation instance. So we'll try to understand what is the relation schema. So relation schema is nothing but it specifies the name of relation schema and the name and type of each column. So relation schema is nothing but the table, or we can say author is a relation schema here, and you can see it does have its columns, author ID and its data type. So that is something which is nothing but this relation schema. And relation instance is nothing but when it comes to table, so what are the things, like it is made up of rows and columns. So you can see these are the columns and these are the rows. So degree is the number of attributes in a relationship. So how many attributes? So you can say author ID, first name, last name, email, city, and country. These are the attributes. And cardinality is nothing but the number of tuples. So like whatever the values, actual values are there, that is called as a tuple. So in this we do have this degree of 6 and cardinality of 4. That means 4 tuples and 6 columns. So that is called as degree and cardinality. So this is all about this. We just understood what is the relation model, relation schema, relation instrument, degree and cardinality. So this is a summarized things where we which we have seen. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in next lecture.